graduated nursery, primary, and daycare school.
Well, your name is Abe?
Yes.
Abe, can you tell us your age? And
I am 13 years old.
may we know the subject that you love most?
I love maths and science
Why do you love science the most?
because I perform better in science.
So now, in future, if you grow up, what problem would you wish to solve in Uganda?
I would like to help people.
To save people, the sick ones. So that means you would like to become a kind of doctor or kind of a medical worker. That's a very good thing. Why do you love this school?
Because we have good teachers, teachers as well.
So what do you mean by they teach you well?
You can understand their teaching.
So things like volume in science. If I ask you, can you define volume? You have forgotten volume. Okay, volume is a space occupied by an object. So the clothes you're wearing, the uniform. What can you tell us about the uniform? Does it impress you in any way? You like the uniform so much. You can see you're smart. So now, in your life, what do you like most? Everything. Food. What do you like most in your life? So you like food? Just like any other person. Any other person would say. So it has been nice interviewing you. There's only one last thing that I would like you to tell the public, that is any message, anything you want to say to the entire people on earth. You say it now.
Another thing I want to talk about is among girls. Girls should prevent teenage pregnancy. Women should avoid child abuse.
Teenage pregnancy.
Yes.
That's a very, very keen, wise statement from you. And I think I will give this as the first report to the director. Thank you very much, and I wish you a nice day. And has your parent visited you? You're still waiting?
Yes.
Okay, you wait for that chicken.